We have surrendered to the car, haven't we, Harper? Because it's freezing! Good morning, everybody. This morning we are at rugby training. Zach is already out there absolutely covered in mud, isn't he? She's like, might as well have been playing as well because she's covered in it too. But we've come to the car.
My shoes are mine.
Your shoes are filthy and your trousers are. But we've come to the car because, yeah, it's not as cold as I thought it was going to be today. There's no wind, but it is cold. We are back, we are bathed, we are warm. Zaki is clean, free of mud. My wellies I've left outside because they are thick mud. On the way back from rugby, I nipped into a local butcher's and got Alex a big tub of chicken. Look at that. That is good chicken. So my job right now is to get, oh it's so heavy, is to get all these portioned up in freezer bags that I reckon will probably run out pretty soon. And get them in the freezer for him because there, as long as Alex has his chicken, he is happy. I just got changed and try and wear something different. I need washing desperately. I could eat for England right now, and I've just broken into the M&S chocolate. I'm not finished. This one has the worst hiccups to date he has ever had. Why? What's the matter with you?
I just did it. My cheese is hurt.
Oh, she had a little bit of a red. I think she was maybe allergic, or she had a bit of reaction. Oh my goodness! To a scarf that she had on up to her eyeballs today. But yeah, this one, look at it. He never ever has hiccups, do you? Ever. I just said to him, I said, normally when you get hiccups it means that you've been fibbing, Zach. He went, I've not been lying. I just told him as well that when he was in my tummy, he hiccuped loads. Like my belly used to go. It used to move. We used to be able to feel you hiccuping. What are you doing?
Yes.
Are you a bit warm? Wow!
Sorry.
Now it's time to try and clean my wellies from this morning. I just left them outside today because they were just a mess. Alex can by all means clean Zach's football boots, that is for sure. Look at the state of them. There is brand new spanking Santa brought him boots. I think he liked them though, he didn't complain once. The only thing he complained about was his gloves, and that was because they're very tight. I think they're like proper like sporting gloves, and because they're tight, in order to like not have any extra fabric or anything like that, and so they can actually use the hand and grip the balls and things like that, he didn't like it. He wasn't keen on it, so they came off. But he wore his new scrum hat that Santa brought him. He brought his new he wore his new boots. Did he wear anything else that he had? And I think that's it. He's got a few like hoodies, team hoodies, but I don't want to wreck them before it gets drier, and he's still going to need them like in the spring because it's still freezing cold at 9 o'clock in the morning. Ew, they're still a mess. I'll just bring them in to dry, I think. Zach has chosen the barbecue steak bacon shake or shake and bake this morning. today. So that is what Alex and Zach will be having tonight. That's just marinating very nicely in the fridge. I have no idea what me and the hamster are going to be having. I'm going to try that. I'm going to make it my aim. I said yesterday, didn't I? I'm going to make it my aim to try not have the meal because I will be starving because I know I won't eat it all, but to try what Alex has. He's having some like wedge things, potato things with that, and rice. So yeah, that's what's for tea tonight, or not for tea, depending on how you look at it. No.
And?
He's been shooting me today, haven't you, Zach?
Bottom. Peanut. Oh, what are you gonna do? You gotta carry on feeding me, you gotta protect yourself. And the balls.
I tried barbecue chicken. I tried barbecue chicken. That's quite an achievement.
It is, but I guarantee she'll eat it properly.
Don't show too much emotion or anything. I tried barbecue chicken. I tried barbecue chicken. I tried barbecue chicken for tea. It was okay. I couldn't eat a massive bit of breast though.
I'm saying, if you had it properly, you say you'll have it properly next time, you were.
I might do.
You were.
Give it a few times and I might do. I just don't like new things. I don't like trying new things. I just like what I like and that's it. And I've got a very sensitive palate, as I say, like, that didn't feel like it was hot or anything like that, but the smallest little bit of spice in something and I'm like, oh. Cookie dough is in right now. This afternoon, whoa, I'm up here. This afternoon, I'm so jealous of everybody, people that I follow and bloggers and stuff, who have like revamped their whole blog. So I kind of did a little bit of mine this afternoon and just rejigged a few menus and stuff like that, and it looks a little bit better. I haven't gone for like a whole new theme because it's quite expensive and I haven't got the money. And if you don't know, I've got a blog. I'll put the link down in the description below. It's always there. Go check it out. I am the money saving mum. Hold her hand. I can't. Oh, look at baby Annabelle. She's so cute. Come on then, cookie dough's ready. Let's get this done. And then it's bedtime. No. Alex is not very well today. He doesn't feel too good. You're not shooting any Nerf guns today, I'm afraid. And you.
And you're doing that back at me.
So I am going to go enjoy this full of sugar pudding.
No, I am.
It is Zach's favourite, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we shall love you and leave you. Feel free
to give us 10 thumbs up if you like it.
You can't, you only can press it once.
You can't.
You can give an individual thumbs up on 10 videos.
What's that mean?
Yeah, I thought that would go. So we will love you and leave you, and we shall see you again very soon.
So baby Annabelle like cookies.
Does she? Bye, baby Annabelle.
Bye, baby Annabelle. Hold her hand and say bye.